Matthew was hospitalized with dehydration, confusion, frequent urination, and fruity scented breath. He was diagnosed with ketoacidosis. Ketoacidosis. Hyperglycemia occurs when the blood sugar drops below where it should be. Hypoglycemia. Corticosteroids are hormones secreted by the adrenal cortex to help metabolize carbohydrates, but also help with inflammation. Corticosteroids. Jane went to the doctor because she was experiencing major fatigue. The doctor said that she may have a thyroidal problem, such as hypothyroidism. Thyroidal. Sarah was experiencing excess thirst, known as polydipsia, due to the possibility of diabetes. Polydipsia. Jeremy had to have a lobectomy on his liver due to liver disease. Lobectomy. Hypopituitarism is defined as a condition where the pituitary gland fails to produce one or more of its hormones. Hypopituitarism. Jim has gone to the doctor because he was experiencing mood swings, excessive sweating, weight loss, and had puffy eyes. The doctor diagnosed him with hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism. Adrenomegaly is defined as an enlargement of one or both of the adrenal glands. Adrenomegaly. The surgery to have the adrenal gland removed is called adrenalectomy. Adrenalectomy. Anesthesiology is defined as a branch of medicine that specializes in surgical procedures along with the treatment of chronic and acute pain. Anesthesiology. A language disorder that makes a person unable to communicate due to brain damage is called aphasia. Aphasia. Delirium is a state of mind that results in confused thinking and reduced awareness of environment. Delirium. A language disorder that makes it difficult for a person to communicate. A language disorder that makes it difficult for a person to communicate is called dysphagia. Dysphagia. Medullary is defined as pertaining to the medulla oblongata. Medullary. An abnormal tingling feeling due to pressure or damage on the peripheral nerves is called paresthesia. Paresthesia. Lumbar ventricular tachycardia refers to the fast beating of the lower chambers of the heart. Ventricular. The clear fluid that is in the brain and spinal cord is called cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal. The enlargement of an artery due to weakened walls is called an aneurysm. Aneurysm. The condition where light rays focus unevenly on the retina is called astigmatism. Astigmatism. Extraocular eye muscles are located outside of the eye. Extraocular. The inflammation of the conjunctiva, also known as pink eye, is called conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis. The state of normal vision is called emmetropia. Emmetropia. A person who has trouble seeing things up close but can see far away has hyperopia, also known as farsightedness. Hyperopia. A person who is unable to see one color has monochromatism. Monochromatism. A malignant eye tumor occurring in children under 3 years old is called retinoblastoma. Retinoblastoma. The person who is trained in grinding and fitting of corrective lenses is an optician. Optician. Oculomycosis is a fungal infection of the eye. Oculomycosis. The paralysis of the iris is due to iridoplegia. Iridoplegia.